Good morning, everyone. We are getting started with week 10 this week, and this week we are going to work on organizing our essays, paragraph structure, and working on our rough draft, which will be due on Friday. So let's take a look at the week 10 to-do list. For week 10, we're going to start the week by looking at paragraph structure and organizing our essays. We'll also have a discussion post about organization, which will ask you to reflect on some of your writing from earlier in the semester to look at it for organizational strategies. Also, we're working on our research paper rough draft, which will be due Friday. Tuesday, we'll continue moving from outlining to drafting. And I will also be working on giving you some feedback on your outline throughout the week. I will try to get to it. I will try to get to everyone's outlines by Wednesday, but I have a lot of grading right now. I've got 4 other classes, so I really appreciate your patience with me as I try to work through and give you feedback to improve your draft, to improve your outline, or to improve your ideas so you can move from your outline to your draft. So on Wednesday, your organization and reflection discussion will be due, and you can see here that the organization and reflection discussion just asks you to look at the structure of an essay that you've written for a class this semester, review your paragraphs, and in a document or in your discussion post, copy down the first sentence of each paragraph. Then write a 200 to 300 word response that reflects and analyzes your organization. I would encourage you to do this after you have completed the reading from Monday and Tuesday, because those will give you some ideas about proper paragraph structure and organizing your essay. So the other thing that you're working on for this week is your rough draft, which will be due on Friday. And this should be a complete working draft, and we will workshop it just as we did with the previous essay to give you some feedback as you are working on polishing and revising your draft for the final due date, which is coming up in week 11, and it is due on Sunday, November 10th. So this week, we're really just moving from outlining to drafting and thinking a little bit more about structure of our essays. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help. I'm here to help. Also, please don't forget the resources you have access to. You have access to tutor.com from our Moodle page right here, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are tutors on standby to help you. You can also submit your drafts for review by a tutor. If you give them 24 hours advance notice, they will get it back to you within 24 hours. Also, if you're near a campus location or a center location, you have access to the Student Writing Center. Please check the NPC website for details about the hours for each of the individual writing centers. So remember to take advantage of those resources. And as always, I'm here to help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.